Stoneheart, it's about time that your win streak in max shooters has finally come to an end.
Lightning Dash? Hold up. Is that a challenge? To me versus you? In the mass shooters elemental shooting tournament?
Yes, it was. And now, you've beaten the Rat Leader, you've overtaken Plant Rat, and now, the only electric elemental, Lightning Dash, will now finally beat you and take care of your win streak. You will not win this Battlestone match. I don't care if you're the king. I will destroy you.
What up, clan? This is Deadly Stone right here, once again, playing masked shooters with one of the brethren. This time, Lightning Dash has challenged me to try to break my streak. Alright, so we're gonna get this done. Let's see, player name, Stone Rat. Room name, Elements. What the heck? I said elements. 2 players, free for all weapons. Alright, Lightning Dash, prepare to die.
Oh, not die. You will lose. Let's get
Alright,
this
Dash.
started.
Okay. The player that's Darwin. Darwin is Lightning Dash. Don't know what. There you are!
Oh,
It's
I'm gonna get you.
Oh my god! Nope, nope. Ow!
got him. First kill, first blood.
Bro, we just started and I just got killed. You are already serious about this, Dash.
I told you I don't care for the king. I will destroy you. You better not.
Dash, you just triggered something. Got him! Oh! Got him!
I knew it.
Yep. You just got sniped by Deadly Stone Rat.
I absolutely hate you right now.
Oh! My god! Ah,
Payback is a maggot.
okay, you know what? No one uses the RPG on me. Now you're gonna die, Lightning Dash. Now you're gonna die.
No, I won't.
But what's the next word? Oh god! Get out of here! Ah! Oh god! Nope! No!
Got you.
Come on! Come on now! What is with this? What happened to me? What the heck happened to me? Oh, what? We killed each other! Ow!
I don't know.
What the heck? Are you kidding me right now? Are you actually kidding me right now?
No, I'm not. I'm that sneaky.
Okay, I'm a.
It's too quiet.
Where are you? Oh god, no! No! You're sniping! No! You're the king! You're the king of sniping! No!
Oh, dang it, I just can't seem to aim right.
Oh god, there you are! Ow! I got that close to you! Hey, Dash, look behind you!
Why?
Got him!
Are you kidding me right now? I'm still in the lead, though. I'm still winning.
I know. And it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous of how many kills you got on me.
Don't
Where you at?
even. Don't do it.
Got him. Yep.
What?
Alright. Okay.
Don't
Whoa,
do
whoa,
it.
whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa.
Don't do it, Stone.
Got him. Yep. I told you. You're not gonna kill me, Lightning Dash. You're not gonna destroy me. You use the RPG on me, and guess what? You will die by my sniping skills. I warned you, Dash. I warned you.
And I warned you too.
I know you are, which is why I'm gonna kill you. Ah!
It's way too quiet.
Dude, I can't find Lightning Dash anywhere. He blends in just as well as. Oh my god!
I didn't even know that was
Why? Oh, you little
you. What?
headshot!
Fatality, my tail.
Nope, I'm not kidding. Where you at? There you are. Got him! Oh no, I didn't! Oh!
I'm giving you them
Oh!
jokes.
Ow, ow, ow! Oh god!
I'm giving you them
No!
jokes.
Switch! It's Plant Rat all over again!
Yeah, it is.
Come on!
Touch this block.
Ah!
Piece
of crap.
This one.
Come on!
You can't hit me, sucker.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Got him! Straight on him!
Damn it.
Got her!
You sucker.
Get him! My accuracy is too off. Got him!
Damn it.
I'm a shotgun you.
Oh, no, you won't.
I will! I will! Got him! Yes! I told you, Dash, I told you!
Screw you, okay?
Shotgunned. Yep. But one bullet will freaking kill me right now. One bullet. 6 chambers.
Go
Ow!
to the forehead and
Whoa,
guard
looks
the
like that
crew
bullet
up.
hit me straight in the head. Ha! Man, I suck with this weapon. No!
What did I tell you, Stone? I warned you, and I just kept telling you. But guess what? You didn't listen now, did you?
No, I didn't, Lightning Dash. And since I paid for it, take the title away from me. And call yourself, finally, the king of shooting games. Congratulations, Lightning Dash. You've been the master. I can't do anything about that. What up, clan? This is Dilly Shadowrat here. I just got done editing the video you just saw, Lightning Dash versus Stone Rat, and I just wanted to tell you, in the middle of the process, I fell off my skateboard, and that's why this video took so long. I got, see, look, I got one on my knee. Whoa, 2 on my knee. I don't know where the second one is. I got one on my thigh. Sorry about that shot right there. I got one on my thigh. And I got 1, 2, 3. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 on my right arm. See what happened was my body, like, I was controlling the skateboard, and the skateboard just said, nah, fam, and literally swerved, and I freaking fell off of it and scraped up my entire right side of my body, see? Right? That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and this is 4. So yeah, I'm okay. Just wanted to tell you this video took forever, and I'm sorry for not uploading a lot, because by the time you're seeing this, I'm gonna have cellular service, but as I'm recording right now, I don't have cellular service, so I haven't had cellular service in a really long time. Sorry about that. Peace out, clan.